Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and today we're going to be reviewing the BlasterX H6 headphones. So this is the headphones. They articulate a little bit on the actual muffins themselves. There is a right and a left on the inside. Okay, let's see how they fit. Oh, they actually go over the ear perfectly, and they are adjustable. They have like a ratchet style. Ooh, I like them. I like how they feel. They're actually, it's not leather, so it doesn't get that sticky, sweaty feel. They're made out of like a cloth. They have built-in microphone as well as an add-on. Onboard volume control, digital volume control, a monitor to hear yourself to make sure your audio is working, a 3-phase or 3-level EQ built in. The bass response is unbelievable. It will be getting the JoeteckTips Instant Awesome rating hands down, because I did a video on YouTube called the Ultimate Bass Test, and I was able to listen from pretty much 18 hertz all the way up to like 15,000 hertz with no problem. The frequency response was great. There was no distortion whatsoever. No vibrating of the driver where you actually hear like distortion at that point. It was crystal clear, analog and USB powered, because it does come with a cable. Okay, so it comes with a USB cable, it comes with the 4-tab analog cable, which can be used with your cell phone. When you're using this for gameplay, you have it like this, okay? And then when you're using it on your phone, you don't need it, because you don't want to be walking around talking on the phone with this thing hanging off of it. You can remove it, and then you can listen to your music. And then, but if the phone call rings, you can answer it and talk. That's the best part about this. So anyway, guys, I love this pair of headphones. They're really good quality. I recommend them. It will get the JoeteckTips Instant Awesome rating, because I couldn't believe that there wasn't any distortion. I listened from pretty much 15 hertz, as much as I can hear it from the vibration, and I listened at a certain volume level, like 80%, all the way up to 15,000 kilohertz, and I was able to hear everything from that range to that range, from 15 hertz to 15,000 hertz, with no problem whatsoever, with no distortion. In terms of a stereo headset, these things kick major butt, and I strongly recommend them highly for any gamer or any enthusiast that likes clean, crisp sounding audio. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.